Okay, so we are going to be moving on to division. As you guys saw this morning, I was making you guys a poster to help you guys remember the vocabulary. But little do you guys know that you guys divide all the time without even knowing it. All the time. So say if you guys have Skittles. You're at your friend's house, you brought Skittles, but you only have one pack. And you want to be nice to your friend, and you want to equally share them with her. You're going to give her half your Skittles, and you're going to keep half. You guys just divided into two. How about, have you seen your parents cook homemade pizza, and they have to make enough slices for everyone in the family? Yeah. So they'll slice it, so there's 5 people in the family, and I think everyone's going to eat 2. So I'm going to cut this pizza into 10 slices. Never happened. Division. Just usually just make pizza, cut them into however many pieces you want, and it's free for all, whoever gets there. Sometimes it works that way. I'm just giving you examples. Or this one doesn't really apply to you right this second, but when your parents go into the store and they're trying to think of a better price, they have a big pack of ramen noodles. They have a big pack of them. They want to know what's a better deal. Should I get this 20-pack right here, or should I buy the individual ones? They're going to take that price and divide it how many items are in that pack.
Water bottles. Should you buy the individual, or should you buy the small pack or the bigger pack? Well, how much are they?
Good. That's a good one. So you guys do a lot of that today. I mean, a lot of that in your daily lives. So if we go over to this side, today you're going to be using mental math to find the quotients. The objective is to use mental math and place value strategies to divide multiples of 10 and 100 by one-digit divisors. And our math connection for today is, remember how we are multiplying by tens, 100s, with thousands? You guys are really good at that. You remember that?
Yeah.
So that's going to help you a lot today, okay? And some more real-world connections. Shopping, we talked about that. Or how about baking? Say the recipe calls for 20 people. Like your recipe, you can make it for 20 people, but you only want to make it for 10. You're going to split that recipe in half. You're going to divide it by 2. Equally sharing the Skittles we already talked about. Cutting pizza we talked about. How about when you were making your goodie bags for Halloween? Did you guys just throw some in, or did you guys want to make sure everyone had the same amount?
Everybody had the same amount.
So you were dividing up what you had into different bags. How much can I buy? So I have a $10 bill. I want to get as many donuts as I can at the store. How many donuts can I get for my $10?
How much are each donut?
$2. How many can I get? 5? I can get 5. Look at that. You're dividing. And splitting into groups. How do you go to an amusement park? You have 5 people in your group. The ride seats only hold 2 people. How many carts will I need?
3.
2 people.
3 more.
3. 2 people for one seat, 2 people for another seat, and then one person's gonna sit alone. You're gonna need 3 seats. So when you guys think about that, you guys don't even think about it when you're doing it, but you divide all the time.
Usually when we buy a ride, it's just something normal, specific. We can all ride it.
All together?
Unless someone.
Well, at roller coasters, you usually have 2 seats.
Yeah, they do.
Right. I'm going to, with your partner, I'm going to give you guys some counters. Okay? I'm going to give each one of you guys the same amount of counters. I want you guys to split them up into equal groups. I don't care how you do it. I just want equal groups. And it's with who you're sitting with, okay? Yep, equal groups. Think about what equal means. I want you to sit back in Karsten for this one, okay? You go ahead and start. Get over and try to do it real quick.
So let's do 2 equal groups. So we split 4 Yeah. Okay. So how about we Skittles? Yeah, we'll just Skittles. Okay. So I brought a pack of Skittles. I will give to your house and I will share it. So I will give it to you. One to you. One to you. So
Okay, there's 10.
we are using our way.
You both should have 10.
Yeah.
It depends on how you divide them.
So
Division.
So I'm looking to see how many of you guys can be creative. How many of you guys can make more than 2 groups? You're doing it with him. Working as a group.
okay. 1, 2, 3,
Wait, me and Andrew's on this. We have to work
Yeah. 2.
Oh, I like your thinking up here.
There. Okay. We can make 5 groups. 5 groups in town. That's 1, 2. 2, 8, 2, 2,
We made another idea. We need to stack them. We stack them.
So we have 1.
Equal amount of groups. I see it now. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go through it. I want to know how you did it and what you guys, that wasn't the directions. You should have them on your desk still, not stacked. So I'm going to come back to you and I want back to where they were, okay? Alright, this group. What did you guys divide them into?
Wait, how did you do that? Step out of the final.
5 and 5. Okay, so I want them all the same amount in each group. So see if you can get the same amount in each group.
I can do it.
Okay, Bryler and Hunter. 4. So you have 4 in each group. And how many groups do you have? 5. So you had 20, right? 20, and you put them in how many groups? 5 groups. So you have 20 into 5 groups. So 20 divided by 5 should be how many in each group? 4. You just divided again. Look at that. Back row. What do you guys do? How'd you divide it up?
We divided up to 2s.
Into 2s. So how many groups does that make? If you have 20, how many groups does that make?
11.
Thank you. 10 groups. So you have 20, right? And you put them into 10 groups. And then how many are in each group?
10.
How many in each group? 2. Thank you. Back row, what'd you guys do? The same thing?
2 in each group.
So how many groups do you have all together? 10, and you had 20. So yeah, 20 divided by 10 is how many? 2 in each group. This row, what'd you guys do? Same thing? Did you guys do the same thing?
Yeah.
So you guys, I think you guys did a little different. They did a little different than what did you guys do?
Well, Miss Claire.
Oh, you did the same thing. So you had 20 and how many groups?
4.
How many groups? 5 groups, and then what were you left with? How many in each group? 4. 4, yeah. So you had 20 divided by 5 groups is 4 counters in each group.
And we now have 10 groups.
And what did you guys do? End up doing? The 2s again? You guys seem to like that one. At first, I saw a lot of you guys going, all right, I have 2 people, you get one, I get one, you get one, I get one, you get one, yeah, I get one. And a lot of you guys had 10 and 10, which worked. 20 divided by 10 is how many groups? How many groups did you guys make? 2. A lot of you guys had that.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys split right in half. And I was like, and then I challenged you to make different groups. That was really good, guys. Okay, so we are going to go back to our seats. I want you guys to just put the counters off to the side of your desk and not touch them. I challenge you guys not to touch them. I challenge you guys not to touch them. I think you guys have it in you.
Oh, challenge.
And I want you back to your seats, and I want your eyes back on me. And 5, 4, 3, Hallie, 2, 1, back to your seat. Thank you. Oh, sorry about that. Yes. All right, so let's go up to here. We have some vocabulary words. They're probably going to be rather new to you. I need your eyes and ears. AJ, eyes, thank you. Yes, I did make this earlier. So I made a division. It's a way to help you remember the vocabulary that goes with division. Have you guys ever seen divisions that are set up like this? In like a little box? You guys did a little bit last year?
Yeah.
What did you guys do last year?
I don't get it. Yeah, we did a little bit of it.
It's okay. We're going to learn it all again.
We did a little bit of it.
Yeah, you might have been, like at the end of 3rd grade, they might have dipped in a little bit.
Yeah, we did a little bit.
Okay. So if we go over here, we have the quotient. Does anyone remember what the quotient is? The quotient's going to be...
The
What?
answer of it.
Yes! The answer. Thank you. The answer. And when we make this division sign, I helped you guys remember the quotient has a Q. Think of a queen. The queen sits on her throne. The quotient. Can you guys say that?
Quotient.
Thank you.
Isn't like
The divided end.
If something equals 24, couldn't you put like 8 or 6? Divided by 24?
Divided.
Well, you're going to want the big number first.
Yeah.
But yes, you can. You have your big number divided by another number. What?
Could you divide 24 times 8 equals 6? No. 6 times.
We'll get there, okay? We'll get there, okay, buddy? All right, and then we have the dividend. Remember the dividend? I remember den. This looks like a den. The dividend is in the den. The dividend is going to be our bigger number that we're dividing up. So what was our bigger number that we just used? Everyone just used. Our biggest number. What was it?
20.
20. We had 20 counters. Dividend. That was our dividend. It went in the den.
Put them in 5.
What?
Couldn't you put them in 5?
Yes, you could. And then we have our divisor. Divisor is the other number we're dividing by. And to remember to where the divisor goes under our visor. Got a little house going on. It goes under our visor. Divisor. Does that help you guys remember a little bit? Quotient, queen, divisor, visor, dividend is in the den. Okay? But sometimes you won't see it like this. Sometimes there's other ways you'll see it. Sometimes it'll be a line like this. 24 divided by 6 is 4.
That is true.
24 divided by 6 is 4. Over here, sometimes you'll actually have the sign. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So you'll see it all different ways. And actually, another way, which I'm not sure if you guys will see it this way, but you guys, sometimes you'll see 24 divided by 6, like a slash.
Yeah,
So that's like a higher level, but you guys are probably going to see it more like this, okay? So who can tell me what the dividend does? What is it? Where's it at? The dividend.
It's in the den.
In my den. It's my bigger
Number.
Thank you. My divisor. Scarlett?
Is under the visor.
The visor. Under the visor, and it's my other what?
The visor.
My divisor is my what?
You're smaller now.
My smaller number that I'm dividing. And then my quotient. Maddox. Like a queen, and what does that mean? What's a quotient? The answer. All right. So we are going to. You guys see the pen? Oh, I put it back. All right. So we are going to learn 2 different ways to help you divide. And again, we are going to be dividing by tens and 100s today. Okay? Remember how easy it was for us to multiply by tens and 100s? Carson, keep it there, buddy.
You can use.
Do you remember how that was pretty easy for us? So I'm hoping that this comes pretty easy, but if it doesn't, it's okay. We'll keep reviewing it.
You can use multiplication to help you with division.
Great. You're on track. So pictures, we're going to learn with pictures today, and then we're going to use our multiplication facts. So the ones that need their multiplication tables, please get them out. Please get them out. Carson, you need to be in your seat, buddy. Okay, so I want you just to watch. I do not want your markers in your hands at all. I want you to just watch right now, okay? I don't want you to be distracted. I'll let you know when you can use your marker. So I have cookies. I have 20 cookies, okay? I have 20 cookies. It's me and my 4 friends. So how many people?
5.
There's 5 of us. I have 5 friends. I'm going to make little stick figures so I can show you that there's 5 of us. Sorry, they don't have arms. 2, 3, 4.
And they don't have faces.
Nope, these are my friends. I have 20 cookies, okay? I want to divide them equally. What's a good way to divide them equally? How do you think I should show you guys that?
You can't.
20. 20 is not an odd number.
4.
So, I'm going to give each one a cookie. Here's a cookie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get a cookie 10. You get a cookie 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, how many cookies does each one of these people get?
4.
How many cookies do they get? They get 4. So I have 20 cookies, right? 20. I'm going to write cookies.
Divided by 4.
I have 20 cookies divided by how many people? How many people?
5
I have 5 people.
equals 4.
And it equals
4.
4 cookies for each person, right?
Oh, easy.
So you divide it.
5 times 4 is 20.
Okay, so you're a little ahead of me, but I'll go with you and meet you where you're at. So if we go backwards, notice my multiplication. I have 5 people times something is going to give me 20.
4.
And that was 4, and that was my answer.
That was easy.
It's just backwards. So you think about, what's the opposite of subtraction?
Multiplication.
The opposite of subtraction?
Adding.
Adding, there you go. So then the opposite of division is multiplying. Let's use the bigger term because we're in bigger grades. So we're going to say multiplying, okay?
Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication. So we just showed you in 2 ways. I just showed you, sorry. Picture, you guys see that? 20 cookies, I divided between 5 people, and then they ended up with 4 each. You guys went ahead of me, and you guys showed me that you saw 5 times 4 is 20. You found the missing digit, like detectives. And you got a 4. No. Anything that ends in 0 is an even number.
Zeros and
Okay. So I want you guys to now you can have your markers.
Okay,
I want you to have 15. I have 15 books. Okay? I have 15 books. Listen, please listen. I'm not done yet. 15 books, and I want to divide it between my 3 friends. I want you guys to draw a picture solving this problem. And when you are done, I do not want you to tell me the answer. I want you to turn and talk to your partner and tell them what you did. Okay?
Okay.
Quietly, though. I don't want you to be really loud in here. Ella, I'm actually going to have you go up and sit in Aiden's seat for today. Okay? Thank you.
These people are gonna have
Scarlett, what are you supposed to be doing? Draw a picture to solve this.
On our boards.
Yes, please.
So draw a picture.
Yep. Draw a picture, Ella. I don't want you to tell me. I want you to do it, and then I want you to talk to your partner about it. Get your multiplication chart out.
Yes.
So when you talk to your son, I want you to talk to your partner about it. Okay, draw a picture for it. Nope, nope. I don't want you to show me what he's on it. I want you to tell him how to get it. Okay, wait. I love how you guys are talking to your friends in a nice voice. Nice tone, nice level. You're doing a really good job. Show me the picture. Scarlett, did you talk to Hallie yet? Okay. Talk to Hallie about what you did. Hallie, you tell her what you did.
So what I did is
You guys copy ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys get the same answer?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes, you got the same answer.
Good.
Yeah, that's what I did. So
That's what you did.
Aiden, did you talk to Riley yet? Okay.
I got 5 points.
All right, Carson and Ella, did you guys talk yet?
Or you can do it the other way around. I did it the other way around. 15 divided by 5.
Not your way.
I did it.
Yes, it? Good math?
I really didn't draw a picture. I was like, this equals this because this times this equals this. So if this times this equals this, then this divided by this equals this. I know it's confusing. Well, because I was going like this divided by this equals this because this times this equals this. So this times this equals this. This divided by this equals this.
Oh, that's confusing.
It's not confusing.
I made it. I did it. It was just like here how I did it.
Yeah.
Did you know Carson says you wake up at 5?
Okay, let's turn back around. All right, Max, what did you do?
So first, I drew 3 friends.
Oh, you want me to draw 3 friends? Okay, here's 3 friends. Oh, it's dancing. Sorry, it's dancing.
He's dancing.
And then I started one group at a time.
Okay.
Until I got 15.
Until you got 15. So you did like this. 1 book, 2 book, 3, 4, come back, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I did it wrong. I did it a different way. I put 5 in. Wait, I'm not done, guys. So then I put down 15 divided by 3.
15 divided by 3, I have that.
And I wrote equals 5 because you have 5 books for each friend.
Thank you. I love how you said because. So because we have 5 for each of our
And
friends.
then I figured out that 3 times 5 equals 15. I'm right.
Good. So that's a good way to check yourself. So you remember I don't know what we were doing, but we were checking ourselves for something. I don't remember what we were checking ourselves on. But I taught you guys to write this, to check yourself. I don't remember exactly what we were doing. Maybe it was addition, subtraction.
I'm pretty sure it was addition.
Okay, so check yourself. Plus 3 times 5 equal 20. I mean, sorry, 15. 15.
Yeah.
I know. 3 times 5 is equal 15.
Yeah.
So it checks. It works out.
Yep, so can I erase that?
An easy check,
5,
yes.
10.
So I'm going to challenge you for a second. What if I had, I'm going to do the same one. What if I had, no, just kidding. I'm not going to challenge you yet.
Okay, not yet. Challenge.
Because I want you guys to first do this one. Without a picture. I want you guys to think about your basic facts.
Times what equals 20.
Equals that. Use your multiplication chart if you need it.
Okay, so C.
Ryler, get your multiplication chart out, okay?
Okay, right. Yeah, down first.
I said this times this.
Maddox, are you 100% sure?
So you can read it.
One minute. Does it equal 72?
What is that?
Alright guys, I want to go over this one before I move on, and then I'll give you another one to try. Listen, I want to review it real quick. Remember our basic facts. So, I want to know 3 times, remember how we were going backwards? 3 times what gives me 24? Look at your chart. Go to the 3 column and find 24. No, go to the 3 column, Riley. Find 24. It's 8. So, guys, go back with me. Back together. So, 3 times 8 equals
24.
24. I use my basic facts. Riley knows how to use this chart now, right? Riley, let's not do that right now. Okay, so let me do another one, and I'll let you guys use your basic facts again, and then talk to your partner about what you did. Okay? Let's do. I'm gonna trick you first.
Oh my gosh.
You
did
trick me.
Babe.
Without a picture?
Yeah, I want to get you your basic facts.
Do a picture.
You guys are getting it.
No, we are done. 6 times 6 is 30.
Am I correct? Am I? Yes, yes.
How you getting over there, Scarlett? Okay, so show me how that looks. Did I confuse you?
No!
Oh man. So what does it say? What does this cross? Oh, 36 divided by 6. You guys know what that looks like? So 36 divided by 6 is what?
6.
My brother has
6. Check yourself. 6 times 6. Okay, now I'm going to challenge you.
Yeah!
Alright, I need you guys to come back with me. Mouse. Thank you. Okay. So what if I did
I don't know. Oh. Okay. Oh, easy.
remember how I told you this was connected to how we multiplied our zeros.
Aww.
Let's see if you guys can get this, because you guys think it's so easy.
It is easy.
Did I get me? Are you guys kidding me? It's easy. Add zero.
How is it easy?
Done. That's easy. Remember how we did it? Easy.
Oh yeah, this is easy.
Guys,
That was easy. Wow.
I just realized
Give us a 1,000. Go.
okay, guys, come back to me. Back to me. Eyes and ears.
But
Eyes and ears. Mouth.
I just guessed.
Okay, we're gonna make sure you get it. Okay, so remember how if we wanted to multiply 60 times 6, what will we do first?
6.
Go ahead, Maddox.
6 times 6.
6 times 6 is
36.
36, and then what would you do?
add the zero.
Guess what?
It equals that.
Division is the same thing.
That's easy.
But it's
Opposite. So 36 divided by 6 is
60.
well, just 36 divided by 6.
It's
Right? 6, and then you add your
D.
0.
6.
understand.
D.
That was easy.
Look at you guys. All right, ready? Ready for another one? I'm gonna put it on the board, and then I want you guys to discuss it with your partner,
I got.
and then we'll come back together.
So there's no writing?
No, I want you to draw on your board and then talk to your partner about it.
Yes.
That is good.
Isn't it?
Oh.
Look at what.
Oh. It's oh, thanks. 2.
On your board. Rate it on your board. I don't want your answers. I want you to talk to your partner. Your partner's gonna tell you. You guys are gonna see if you're right by checking with each other. If you guys don't agree, then you guys talk about it. See how you guys can agree.
I went back. So, 7, but
Alright, it looks like everyone has the right answer. I'm very impressed.
Give us something harder.
Even harder?
The billion.
Okay, I'll give you one more. Guys, back with me.
Oh,
I will give you one more
this is easy.
before we move to our math book, okay?
No.
But how about this? If you guys finish your math book in a timely manner, I'll let you guys be on Book It. For it's a game. You have only played it once.
I love it. I'm sad.
You could do more math problems instead in your book. Okay.
Yeah, let's do more math.
Let's do.
Instead of book it. Because you love it. I know, but I like it better.
Million.
Okay. Do it and talk to your partner.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Identify your basic facts.
Is that 48 million? Scarlet, our basic facts.
No, that's
That was
for 48,000.
Talk to your partner about it. Your partner will help you determine if you're correct. So what he gets.
Okay. Well,
I just knew it. I just knew it.
you kind of it was 8. So it's 8.
It's 8,000. Just 3 that won't even fit on.
Wait a minute. I said it was. This ain't hard at all.
I just noticed.
You're singing group.
The answer is the answer.
This one didn't work that time, but that's not always gonna work. Tyler, you see, buddy?
The answer is the answer.
Okay.
Exactly.
Rylan, help me figure this one out. All right. So, what did you do to figure this out?
You on time charts go 6 and 548 and then add 3 zeros.
So you did 6 times something, gave me that 48, right? What was that? 6 times 8. So you knew to write the 8, and then what did you do?
Add 3 zeros.
And then you wrote 3 zeros. Perfect. Yes. All right. So that's not always gonna work. It worked out this time, but not always. So don't rely on that. All right. I want you guys to get your math books and put away your whiteboards, please. Scarlett. Put away your math books and put that away, okay?
Get your math books out.
Math books and your whiteboards back in your desk, okay? Karsten, come here.
Out of my ear. What page?
Okay, we are on page 171.
I'm thinking about getting
171.
We're not repeating anything.
Go ahead, open up your math book.
Wait, what page?
171. Television.
The directions were already given.
Yeah. 171.
All right. I want you guys to look at number 3. It says, do you know how? And then it has a number 3. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Good?
What?
So if we go to number 3, it has 3 problems. 28 divided by 7. 280 divided by 7. And 2,800 divided by 7. All right, so I want you to raise your hand. What will this answer be? 7 times what gives me 28, Damon? 4. That's perfect. Now these ones should be pretty easy. So now this is the same thing. 20 are basic facts. If you guys need to box them to see them, you can. 28 divided by 7 is? Ryler? 4, and then you added your 0 and you got 40. I'm going to box my basic fact over here. And Trevor? 400, because 28 divided by 7 is 4, and then you added your 2 zeros. Let's go to number 4. We have, ooh, they put it backwards for you. So sometimes it'll look like that.
It's easy. Could just try to do 8 times something
Yeah.
equals 24.
I mean 64. So 8, yep, it's 64.
Oh, so that's easy.
8 times what is 64, Hunter? 8 times what is 64?
8.
Shh, Hallie. 8, thank you. So then we had 640 divided by 8. Hallie, help me with this one. 80. And then 6,400. Karsten, help me with this one. Thank you. So these are in your math book, and you should have them written down for 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Does everyone have that written down? No?
Okay, yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So now this is your step, your independent practice. I showed you, so I did, we did, and now you're doing, okay? So we are going to do your step 1, you're going to do problems 5 to 24.
Yes.
Yes.
After they are checked and correct.
That's a lot.
Do you guys hear that? Checked and correct. You guys are going to, you guys can do look it. And I will let you know it's a division. It's a look it. Yes. And it's a division game. So, but these need to be correct and checked, okay? You guys get with what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Allie, Trevor, Aiden,
I'm good.
anybody, read up, here.
Yep, so if you need some, you need to walk over there, you can.
Grab my money. What did they do for number 9?
So this basic fact is going to be 20. Yeah, so number 9, your basic fact is 20. I know it says, I think 2,000, right?
Yeah, it said 2,000.
So you're going to put 2 numbers together. That's 20. What? Oh, okay. So you're actually, if you circle this basic fact, how many are actually left? How many zeros?
1, 10.
Yep, 4 is right, but how many zeros should you add on? How many extra zeros? Yep, you did 3. Remember, just like you're multiplying, you need to think about your basic fact and then add your 2 zeros. Or your 3 zeros, or your 4 zeros, or your 1 zero.
Well, you did.
So how are you going to get
Right, turn the multiplier.
If your brain shut off the multiplier. If you just switch my brain shut off multiplier, I wish it was okay.
It's on my right.
Okay, I guess my pen.
Well, I don't know about that. Here's your basic.
That's pretty good.
Okay, I'm done.
Basic facts. Starting by the 5. And then we're looking at here.
You're done with all of them, aren't you?
It's still not right.
45.
I'm gonna do this one and I have
Or 5 times what gives you 5? Yeah, not too bad.
What about for number 9?
So good. I think it's pretty
You love the
400.
Okay, hold on. Let me get page.
4,000 or 400.
You have to figure out these here, and you have too many. Okay, 4 times the 5 gives you what's in the circle. And this one has 2 zeros. That's base back. 4 times something is going to give you the 36, what we're doing first. Then we'll worry about the zero.
I'm done.
I know.
Maya, are you done with the back?
6 times 4 is not 36. You're doing 4 times. You're dividing by 4. So you're dividing by the 4. Somewhere in the column, there's 36. Okay? So good.
Wait, Boots, is it true? Boots got everything right the first try? I'm not surprised by it. What age is
Look it.
Yep, and raise your hand when you get on.
Wait, is it called booklet?
Look it with the L.
It's up there on the board.
Times something.
We have to go back.
Yes.
Okay.
Back in your seat.
Oh my goodness.
It's not going to be nice. Right.
I'm gonna write that. Scarlett, you play bucket like every day. You like that game?
It doesn't matter.
Alright, then you can go to your book and start doing problems 25 to 31.
I need buckets. Hey, I'm on. The Brahmi code is level up to 1.
Alright, so what you're typing in,
Sign up.
you're going to go to Discover. After you sign in,
To play the book with twins.
You should do that one.
Were we supposed to push play bucket?
Were you?
What
Did I get you on here? Did I get you to have these things?
Is it like DY? What was your game ID? What was your game ID?
What is the game ID?
Just
hit
all and then what? So you push let's go?
No, hit
Oh, yeah. How many do I have?
Little rat.
Should I get the same one? Or should I get breakfast?
500 plus.
Wait, I'm gonna get I think those are cute. Oh, apple. I get apple.
No, you have to do.
Scarlett, did you get the glasses? Like the items. You got some items? I got some items. Are the items fun? No, you use the items. I'm gonna make sure.
Wait, what are you doing?
Can I play?
I'll follow you.
What is it? I need the game ID. No, you can play solo. You can play by yourself. What should I get? Oh my god. Which one are you on? AJ? Round 5. Oh no, like this. Cover. No, and then how we get the question is
Oh, you do?
no, I
Oh, 47 was on there. Wait, what's the one? No, what is
I like you have
30.
Yeah.
3 times 2 hours. How many?
Wait, no, why is that the right?
I got it.
I really don't think we can
Alright, is everyone done? I might be able to help.
I help you find that.
Oh,
I think basically everybody should be.
So you can get too low. And there's 80. How much do you need? 2 bags. slices of bread. 80 slices of bread here, 80 slices of bread here. How much bread is this? Put that number down. First question, do you see that?
Okay.
And so the different questions, every